Nate, over here. Okay. This is our. Oh, this is Stupid Crazy Show, first of all, and these are our Nerf guns. In the last video, we showed you our Vulcan and our Recon, but here's some other ones that we have.
Here's the Netfinder EX3, and that is actually owned by our little brother, Jesse. And this is also owned by our little brother. It came with the, I think,
Dartboard.
Yeah, the dartboard. There's the Recon, as featured in our previous video.
It's got some accessories.
Make your own blaster. Here's
the long shot, which is pretty cool. It's got a separate blaster that comes off the front. I always think that's a pretty cool feature.
And
we've got the Vulcan, which we featured in the last one. We have our modded ammo belt, which it holds 100, which is, I think, is pretty cool.
Well, actually, 50.
Well, it holds 50. Sorry. So it's all of our Nerf guns. Post comments if you have any questions about anything.
If you want to see some of their shooting, how far they come.
Yeah, if you want to see them shoot or anything, just post a comment and we'll do some practice shots.
But it says on the box this is supposed to shoot up to 45.
Oh, yeah. This one is, well, just fully automatic. You have to cock this one, caulk all those ones, but Vulcan's fully auto.
Well, that's pretty much it.